The Air Jordan 11 CoolGrey is one of the most highly anticipated releases of 2021, and it's finally dropping this Saturday, December 11th, for a whopping $225 in full family sizing. So in today's video, I'm going to do a full detailed review on this sneaker, then you know your boy's going to hit you with an on feet, and we start right now. Now these CoolGrey 11s have already released several times. Now initially on the Nike sneakers app, they did a shock drop where they released almost 100,000 pairs. And that's how I got my pair. And then they did exclusive access 2 other times where they released about another 30,000 pairs. Now this release is rumored to have north of 1 million pairs worldwide in full family sizing. So this is going to be one of the most biggest releases from Nike and Jordan brand in the entire year. There's going to be a lot of pairs out there, but there's going to be a lot of people trying to pick this sneaker up as well. Now getting into the review, guys, starting with the box, you're going to have this two-tone gray box right there. On the top of the lid, you're going to get the Air Jordan branding with the white Jumpman. And the official size tag on this sneaker reads Air Jordan 11 Retro, medium gray, multicolor, multi. This is a personal pair size 8, and the suggested retail for this is going to be $225. Now popping off the lid, inside of the lid, you don't have any markings, no numbers or anything like that, so you just get the plain inside of the lid. You do get the black tissue paper like you get on most Jordan 11s. And we're going to peel that back. We're going to take our first up close look at the Air Jordan 11 CoolGrey. BAM! Now continuing with the box, when you remove this black tissue paper, this is what the inside of the box is going to look like. Now right here, you will get that green and white quality control sticker right there. So other than that, there's no other special markings or numbers, either inside of the box or inside of the lid. And this is what the back of the box looks like, and the branding and the lettering that's on that. So people who are into that, you know, I just want to give you guys a shot of the box. But the sneakers is what it's all about. This is what we're all here to see. Now the Air Jordan 11 CoolGrey has not retroed since 2010. So it's been well over 10 years since we've seen this sneaker released. And this is a grail to some people. I mean, this is a sneaker that a lot of people are definitely trying to cop. There's going to be north of 1 million pairs released, you know what I mean? So it's going to be an easier cop. This is the biggest release every single year. So if you just do a little bit of footwork, get into your raffles and things like that, the Nike sneakers app, places like that, you know, you're probably going to have a really good chance to pick this up for retail. So starting off, I'm just going to give you guys a nice 360 look at this Air Jordan 11 CoolGrey. And in my opinion, this is a very, very nice sneaker. It's probably double up worthy for me. I'm probably going to be trying to cop another pair of these. But on this sneaker right here, you do have the high cut patent leather. So that's definitely a plus for me. You do get this like nubuck suede. I'm not even sure if this is suede. This might be like a Durabuck or something like that. But it's more of like a suede, guys. It's not any mesh or leather or anything like that. You do get the white rope laces on this sneaker, just like you do on every other Jordan 11. Whether it's a low or, you know, the regular mid retro that we're used to. Patent leather all the way around the front toe box, all the way around the base of the sneaker. You will get a white midsole right here. And then on the bottom, you're going to get this icy blue outsole with that Jordan Jumpman there in the middle. And you're going to get 2 gray pods, one at the front and one at the back of the sneaker. Now towards the back of the sneaker, you will get the Jordan Jumpman right there. And on the back of the sneaker, you're going to get that sweet number 23 at the top of the heel. Now I know a lot of people complain about the shoe tree, how it's, you know, it's like cheap now. It's not like the plastic ones that we used to get back in the day. I frankly don't care about that, but this is exactly what it looks like. So mine says size 8 to 8.5 is the size on it. You do get a Jordan Jumpman right there. I know some people are into the shoe tree. I could care less. Now inside of the sneaker, you're going to get that gray sock liner with the gray insole with the Jordan Jumpman in white. Now there's not really a whole lot to go over with the Air Jordan 11 CoolGrey. It's just a simple yet basic yet fire colorway in my opinion. And even though this isn't an OG colorway from like the 90s Bulls era Michael Jordan, he did wear this sneaker when he played with the Washington Wizards, and I think that adds to the hype of this. I really do like the Jordan 11 a lot. I really like the CoolGrey a lot. In my opinion, this is a must-cop sneaker. Even though there's a million pairs going to be released, this is definitely going to sell out. You know, this is double up worthy in my opinion. I'm definitely going to be trying to cop another pair. But I want to know what you think. Is the Air Jordan 11 CoolGrey in 2021 a must cop for you? Is this a sneaker you're passing on? You know, is it double up worthy to you? You know, some people are even saying this is sneaker of the year. But, you know, in my opinion, I don't know about all that, but you know, I'm really happy to have this in my collection. I think it's a great sneaker, definitely an iconic sneaker, and a sneaker that I know a lot of you guys are going to be trying to cop when it releases. Before we get into the on-feed portion of the video, which is going to be fire by the way, so make sure you stick around for that, I just want to thank you all for your time. Thanks for stopping over here, checking out another one of my videos. I really do appreciate all the support. If you're new to my channel and you like sneaker content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any content when I drop these videos. Good luck copping the Air Jordan 11 CoolGrey this Saturday, December 11th, guys. Good luck to all of you. And until next time, we out.
Get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth. Get out of bed and I stretch. Bet that my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking. I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often. I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids talking. I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend. Keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds, it might rain. Siblings on my nerves again. Summertime, go for a swim. Wintertime, go grab a sled. Spring, I might need an umbrella. Fall back in school with my friends. Attitude change like the weather. My mom tell me it never ends. Like clocks, we evolve in a circle. Every 12 months we do it again. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day.